welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Today we're going to talk about tyres and patching up, doing puncture repairs in tyres. Now there's a couple of different main ways that you can go, and I just want to show you what both those are. If you have a look here, you'll see there's a clear mark in this tyre. You can also see where the top of something has been in the tyre. Now what you can't tell from looking from the outside is whether that actually went through and punctured the tyre and has been repaired or not. But the fact that you can still see in the top shows it hasn't had a plug put in it. There is a patch kit, I'll show you that in just a sec, where you actually pull a plug through to patch the hole, and that's not what's happened here. But I've just taken this tyre off so we can actually have a look inside what's going on. There's inside a tyre before, but here we go, and have a look at that. This has had what's called a proper patch put onto the tyre. This is a circle of rubber has been vulcanized on and then brushed, so that's a wonderful perfect seal, and that's never going to leak. Those patches are really good. So that tyre, even though it does have that hole in it, has been properly patched. But you can't tell, unless you take the tyre off, you can't actually tell. The other type of patch is when you put a plug in, and that you can tell because the plug will be visible like this. This tyre here has had the plug type put in it, and if you have a look there, you can actually see in the tread right there, when I rub my finger on it, there's a plug head sticking through. So the punch is no longer visible, but there's a little bit of, almost looks like a bit of muck caught in the tread, and that is actually where a plug has gone through. So I'll show you an actual plug repair kit, but that has gone right through the tyre and they've been patched in that way. So that's how you tell the difference when you're looking at your tyres, trying to work out what's going on, maybe what are the history of the tyres. That one with the plug, you'll be able to see it like that. It has that bit there, as close as you can, actually sticking out, and with the other one you don't. Tyre repair kit from the plug type. Obviously you don't have to take the tyre off the rim to do this sort of repair, and you just ream out a hole with this. I'll put a link up here to another video shows you how to do this, and then you put the cement on, the glue, and then you put these plugs in and you actually put it through there, shove it into the tyre, pull it back out again, and it plugs the hole and seals it all up. And that gives you a good little repair as well, but nowhere near as good as taking the tyre off and putting that vulcanizing patch on the inside. So there's the two brands. These really are a bit of a temporary fix. While they are great, and I've heard lots of stories of them going really well, you've also always got a fault in your tyre, and you really don't want to have that liability sitting there. The other one though, totally different. Once it's repaired with a patch, the tyre's been taken off, it's done, and that's not expensive. Good tyre shop will normally only charge you $30 or something like that, so it's not too bad at all for that peace of mind. But there you go, that's the two main different ways of patching a tyre and how to tell the difference.